Hi, I'm Joan Deck, a Christy Sports buyer. Today I skied on the Blizzard Black Pearl. We have a powder day here today at Loveland, and this ski was absolutely wonderful all over the mountain. This ski is 88 underfoot with flip core technology, which gives it an early rise, making it easy into the turn. This ski was a bestseller this past year at Christy Sports, and we bring it back again for you for next year with an updated graphic. If you want one ski and one ski only, this is the ski for you. It was a ton of fun.